This is the dua when you wake up in the morning as well as when you go to sleep in the evening. Now, the prophetic way of using this dua is you want to say it 3 times. So whether it be after breakfast or as soon as you wake up, you want to recite this dua 3 times. What is the result that when you say this dua, what do you get in return? First and foremost, you invoke by praising Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's words. And secondly, you are asking Allah for protection from all the evil in this world. The Prophet ﷺ taught us to say a dua, أعوذ بكلمات الله تامات. I take refuge in Allah's perfect words from the evil He has created. So we're talking about temptation, we're talking about evil eye, we're just talking about overall things that really upset you, that ruin your day, that stress you out. So this happens from the morning period, and even during the evenings when you're about to go to bed, you're thinking about all sorts of things and you just want a peaceful night. This is one of many du'as that you can say 3 times in the morning as well as 3 times in the evening. Now our Prophet ﷺ told us that whoever recites the last 2 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah at night, those 2 verses shall be sufficient for him. Now these verses also include Amana Rasul all the way to the end, which is more than 2 verses. And the reason why I share that with you is that there is another long narration where the Prophet ﷺ taught some of his companions that they could also recite from this particular verse, Aamanar-Rasoolu bimaaa unzila ilaihi mir-Rabbihee walmu'minoon, till the end of Surah Al-Baqarah. Now the question is why? You recite this just before you go to bed. So you're literally lying down, you're about to turn off the lights, and you recite Aamanar-Rasoolu bimaaa till the end of the surah. These ayat are sufficient for you and I, meaning we believe in Allah, we believe in all of His ayat, we believe in the prophets and the messengers. You say this before you go to bed because you don't know if you will wake up again.